Hey, how's it going, my friend? It's Malcolmson here, founder of limitless.com. And the reason why you're seeing this little ad is because you've seen my face before and you've watched some of my stuff. And really, what I wanted to do for you here is tell you a little bit about building an online business, because some people think that it's hard and difficult to start your own online business because all the technical stuff and everything like that there. And really, what I want to share with you is there used to be really hard to get online and start and build your own online business. You needed to have a website developer and a shopping cart and all these different things, a members area and a web developer, all these different parts, and it was really expensive to get online. And if you could imagine, there was this barrier to get in, and it used to be really hard to get past this barrier. And average people, normal people who are just like me and maybe just like you as well, we couldn't really get over that barrier because it was really expensive to start your own online business. Well, now today it's easier than ever to get over that barrier, and it's more easier than ever to actually start and build your own online business. See, the truth is that it's not difficult to actually do and build your own online business because of the technology today, and because it is so easy. And because it is so easy, I'll tell you the truth here, it is very competitive, Gordon. But the truth is, again, that because it is very competitive, you need to have a unique advantage. And this is what I'm going to share with you in this up and coming training, is how to build an online limitless business. And I'm going to share with you the 3 strategies for building an online but limitless business. If that's something that's interests you and you're an aspiring entrepreneur or an internet marketer and you're promoting someone else's product and you want to build a real online business, I'm going to encourage you to go ahead and register for the training. It's coming up this Thursday. You can click on the link wherever it is on this ad, and all you'll do is click on that link. You'll land on a little page. It'll say register for the free training. Click that button. It'll open up a little form, and on the little form it'll just ask you for your name and email address. Just pop that into there, and then I'll see you on the thank you page where I've got a really cool bonus for you there. I'll see you there soon on Thursday. Have a good day. Bye bye.